Hello everyone and welcome to this 7 Corners travel insurance review and what you need to know. In this review, we'll be talking about the features, the policies, pricing, and pros and cons. And at the end, you have more information than at this point of this video. So 7 Corners is a travel insurance provider that's been around for 30 years. They specialize in providing a wide range of travel insurance plans for both individuals and groups, catering to various needs, from vacationers to international students and even those on mission trips. So 7 Corners offers a robust set of features, making them a strong contender in the travel insurance market. Here are some key insights we'd like to mention. It has a 24-hour assistance where they provide round-the-clock assistance, which is vital when you're in a foreign country and need help. Their plans offer a comprehensive medical coverage, including emergency medical evacuation and repatriation. This is critical for unexpected medical emergencies abroad. When it comes to trip cancellations and interruptions, which we don't like but they do happen, 7 Corners also cover trip cancellations and interruptions due to covered reasons, thus protecting your investments if your plans go bad. If you're concerned about your bag, then baggage coverage. 7 Corners has a coverage for lost, stolen, or delayed baggage, which can be a lifesaver when you're traveling. And if you're into adventure sports, there's also a coverage for you, with some plans offering a coverage for adventure sports. Now, when we talk about policies, 7 Corners, as we mentioned before, has a variety of policies to suit different travel needs. Now, because they're really vast, depending on different circumstances and configurations, you'll need to visit the website to find out what's best for you, whether you're traveling within the USA, you're traveling abroad, or coming into the USA. But remember, whatever your situation is, there will be a specific plan that can be tailored to your needs using 7 Corners. And when it comes to the pricing, depending on the policy, you need to take into account that 7 Corners travel insurers vary significantly based on several factors, such as your age, length of trip, your destination, the level of coverage you choose, and any other upgrades you might wish to add. As with any service, we'd like to mention the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, they have a wide range of plans as we've mentioned before. They have a strong medical coverage, especially emergency evacuation, which is a significant advantage. We mentioned earlier that they have a 24/7 assistance, which is vital, as having around-the-clock assistance provides peace of mind to the traveler. They also have an established reputation with a long-standing record in the travel insurance industry. And there is also flexibility with the plan's customization. On the flip side, the prices can vary widely. The cost can be a concern for budget-conscious travelers, as it depends on many factors. And because of the wide range of plans, some plans can be complex, requiring careful review to understand the coverage. This might take some time. Now, while some plans offer adventure sports coverage, it's not always included and exclusions apply. So always double check if you're into adventure sports so you don't get an easy exclusion. In conclusion, we think that 7 Corners is a reputable travel insurance provider with a wide range of plans to suit various needs. Their strong medical coverage and 24/7 assistance are definitely pluses. However, pricing can vary, and it's essential to carefully review the policy details. So if you're looking for a comprehensive travel insurance, 7 Corners is worth considering. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.